split valuation. ठीक है? So what is split valuation? Split valuation we use when we want to evaluate our material stocks with different prices. For example, in some situations, business may be in need to evaluate the goods, same material in different prices. For example, based on the grade of the material or based on the origin of the material from where they are purchasing. So either based on grade or either based on origin, or you can say either based on quality of the material, same material can have different prices. Okay, so whether it is possible in SAP to maintain same material with different prices. So whatever we have learned till date in accounting data, we have maintained either moving average price or standard price, and that too only one price in one single material master record. So whether it is possible to maintain two prices for same material, the answer is yes. And if we want to have two different prices for single material, then we need to use split valuation. So split valuation is what answers this question, to have different prices for same material and to do valuation of the material stocks on two different prices or more than two different prices. Okay, so split valuation is used to evaluate materials with different prices. सेम मटेरियल वेगवेगळ्या प्राइसने जर आपल्याला व्हॅल्युएट करायचं असेल तर आपण स्प्लिट व्हॅल्युएशनचा यूज करू शकतो. ठीक आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, मटेरियल ए इज देअर. Suppose material code is A or ABC. ABC is my material number. Now this material I am purchasing from vendor XYZ. And this material's quality is suppose A plus. Based on quality parameters, maybe we have categorized this material with A plus quality, A quality, or A minus quality. So I'm from this vendor, I'm purchasing this material with A plus quality. I may be purchasing the same material from another vendor with grade A. त्याची quality A parameter मध्ये बसते. Now when I purchase this material from this vendor, the price is suppose 15 rupees, and this material, the price is 12 rupees. So material is same. I'm ordering it from two different vendors based on two different qualities. या vendor कडनं जेव्हा मी घेतो त्याची quality A plus आहे, या vendor कडनं जेव्हा मी घेतो त्याची quality A आहे. Material code is same. Material is same. The difference is in quality. Okay. So if I'm purchasing A plus quality material, I'm getting it 50 rupees, 15 rupees. If I'm purchasing A grade quality, I'm getting it in 12 rupees. Right? So for same material, I have two different prices. And I want to evaluate my stocks based on these two different prices. And I want bifurcation on the grades as well. A plus क्वालिटीचं मटेरियल माझ्याकडे किती आहे, A क्वालिटीचं मटेरियल माझ्याकडे किती आहे. I want to see the quantity based on the grades. I want to evaluate the stock based on the grades. That is possible using split valuation. So to use split valuation, first we need to do some configuration settings. What are those settings? First is we need to activate split valuation. The first step is in configuration, we need to activate split valuation, and second step is we need to configure the settings for split valuation. The transaction code is OMW0 and here OMWC. Okay. Now let me go to system. So if you follow the path, it's SPRO, IMG, materials management, valuation and account assignment. Why it is taking time? Okay, let's discuss some theory part. Okay, now, so to configure this, either based on grade, either origin or quality. So we discussed quality or grade are same things. Origin. So from where you are purchasing the material, maybe same material you're purchasing from locally or you are importing the same material. So when you are purchasing it from local vendors, you will obviously get in less price, but same material if you are importing, that will have a higher price. So for same material, two different prices can be maintained based on the split valuation. Now, when we want to configure the split valuation, first we need to define the category based on which we want to do the split valuation. For example, either based on quality or origin or grade. So what is the category that you are going to use for split valuation? So the first thing that we need to define is global categories. Categories. Okay. Then once you define the global categories, then you define global types. And then you activate the global types locally. That is called as local definitions. We will try to understand this in detail. For example, global category. So if I decide based on the quality, I want to do the split valuation. So quality is what my category. So global categories, when we define in configuration, we can use only a single character to define the category. For example, if it's quality, I can use Q or whatever you want to use, but it should be a single character. You can use letters A to Z or numerics 1 to 0, 1 to 9 or special characters, but it should be single character. So global category definition is single character. So if I'm going to use Q here, global category is Q. Global types. Now what are these global types? Global types are nothing but the quality grades that you are going to use. A plus quality A. So you can give a name to the global type, or you can simply use A plus A, doesn't matter. Okay. So global types are nothing but how many types price you want to maintain. On what condition you want to maintain that price. For example, इथे आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतलं क्वालिटीचं आणि आपण काय कन्सिडर केले क्वालिटीचे ग्रेड्स A plus A आणि A minus. So A plus is one type based on which I am going to maintain my price in the material master. A is another type based on which I am going to maintain my price in the material master record, and A minus is my third type. ठीक है. For example, if the same material you are purchasing from local and imported vendors, we can use types as local and import. So naming whatever you want to use, you can use. So types are basically the differentiation based on which you want to maintain the price, different prices in the material master record. So in our example, if we are considering A plus and A, I can use global types as A plus and A. These two types I'm going to create. So one price we will maintain for A plus grade and one price we will maintain for A grade. Material will be same. Now local definition. So what is this local definition and why it is called as global types or why it is called as global categories? The reason is it is called as global types or global categories because once you define this, you can use it for any company code or any plant. आपण जेव्हा याला डिफाइन करतो ग्लोबली, इट मीन्स it is possible to use this for all the company codes, all the plants. Possibility is there. So you don't have to create a separate category for each company code or each plant. No. Once a category or a type is created, it can be used for all the company codes or all the plants. It can be. Okay. So to whichever plant you want to use it, you just have to activate the category for that particular plant. So आपल्याकडे भरपूर कंपनी कोड्स असतील. मे बी यू आर वर्किंग ऑन 4-5 different company codes and you have 10-20 different plants. So once you define this global category Q, it can be used for all the plants, all the company codes. जर बिझनेसची रिक्वायरमेंट असेल सर्वांसाठी यूज करायचंय तो you need to activate it for all the plants, or if business requirement is just to use for few plants, you can activate this only for those few plants. तर ज्या प्लांट साठी आपण त्याला ऍक्टिव्हेट करतो त्याच प्लांट मध्ये ते यूज केलं जाऊ शकतं. सो वेन इट इज डिफाइंड ग्लोबली, you can use it for anyone. Based on your requirement, you can decide to which plant you want to restrict it. Okay. So local definitions is nothing but activating the global category or global types locally for each plant in which we want to have it valuation. ज्या प्लांट मध्ये आपल्याला स्प्लिट व्हॅल्युएशन यूज करायचं आहे त्या प्लांटला आपण फक्त ते ऍक्टिव्हेट करतो. ठीक आहे. लेट मी सी इफ वी आर एबल टू लॉग इन टू सिस्टम.
सर ते रिस्टार्ट करूनच काय लागेल.
नाही, रिस्टार्ट करायची गरज नाही पडत. लेट मी सी. There may be some issue at the ओके, दिस इज क्लिअर. याच्यामध्ये काही डाऊट आहे?
नो सर.
Clear.
Okay. Now let us see the master data. So in material master, when we maintain the material master record, what we do is we select the accounting data, and in accounting data we select the valuation class, we select the price control, whether it is moving price or standard price, and we maintain the price. When it is V, we enter the moving price. When it is S, we enter the standard price. आणि ती प्राइस आपण एकच प्राइस इथे एंटर करत असतो. हे आतापर्यंत आपण पाहिलेलं. बट वेन अ मटेरियल इज स्प्लिट व्हॅल्युएटेड, जेव्हा आपण एखादं मटेरियल जेव्हा आपल्याला स्प्लिट व्हॅल्युएटेड करायचं असतं किंवा त्याचं व्हॅल्युएशन स्प्लिट व्हॅल्युएशन मेथडनी करायचं असतं, वेगवेगळ्या प्राइसनी करायचं असतं. सो फर्स्ट टाइम वेन यू आर मेंटेनिंग द मटेरियल मास्टर रेकॉर्ड, you need to enter the split valuation category. In accounting data, in MM01, you enter a split valuation category. For example, we have defined a category Q here. So first time when you create the material, you have to enter the category Q. Now once you enter the category Q in accounting data, you don't have to mention any valuation class or moving price or standard price. So when you first maintain it, you just have to enter the split valuation category in the accounting data. By entering the split valuation category in the accounting data, we are telling system that this particular material will have different prices using split valuation method. So first time when we are maintaining it, we maintain the accounting data with only split valuation category and save it. And then how many types you have? Like here we have A and A plus. If we have four different categories, A plus, A minus, A minus minus. So four different types are there. We need to create accounting data four times. If we have two types, we need to create it twice. If we have three types, we need to create it thrice. So we need to go to MM01. First, enter the global type as A plus, valuation type as A plus, then maintain the accounting data. Then again we go to MM01, select the valuation type as A. Now you maintain the valuation class, moving average price or standard price, whatever it is, and the prices. So while maintaining the material master records, your types, जेवढ्या आपल्या ग्लोबल टाइप्स आहेत, प्लस वन टाइम we need to maintain the material master record for accounting data. जेवढ्या आपल्या ग्लोबल टाइप्स असतील प्लस वन times we need to maintain the accounting data. If I have five types, 5 plus 1, 6 times we need to maintain the accounting data. If I have three types, I need to extend it 3 plus 1 4 times. Clear? Because first time
Clear.
we are only entering the category. Next time we will add the value for A plus, save it. Next time we will select A, add the price and save it. So जेवढ्या आपल्या types असतील plus one time we need to maintain the material master record. Once you maintain the material master record with different prices, then we can create the purchase order for the same material with different valuation types. We do the goods receipt and then we can see the stock valuation in different types, and we can see the stock quantities also updated in different global types that we defined. Okay,
Types means quality types, no? A plus, A minus, A.
correct. These are
These are
types.
quality types, and configuration has to be done for plus one kind. Correct.
Material master maintenance we have to
Material
do
master
plus one. Yes.
plus one.
Let me
What is
see
the
if
purpose of doing plus one here?
I'll tell you. जेव्हा आपण सिस्टम मध्ये पाहू ना तेव्हा क्लिअर होऊन जाईल.
Okay. Ah.
ओके. OMWC. So OMWC is used for configuration of split valuation. So OMWC is for configuration and OMW0 is for activating the split valuation. So I'll go to OMW0 first, and here you can see activate valuation, and here split material valuation active is selected. It means in this system split material valuation is already activated. Okay, so we need to select this checkbox and save it. So split material valuation is activated. If we select here split material valuation not active, we cannot use split valuation. So to use split valuation, this checkbox of split material valuation active must be selected. Now once it is selected, you go to OMWC where you can configure the split valuation of materials. Now in configuration, we discussed three steps, right? First is defining the global categories, then defining the global types, and then local definitions. So here you can see global types, global categories, and local definitions. Now I'll go to global categories. We will create a new category. You can see here single character is there, A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is a practice server and people have created multiple. You can see here Q for quality is already there. Okay, so I'll first delete this, save it. Now we will create a new category. Click on create, give a name to the valuation category, for example Q. Okay, now here you can give the description to the category. So split valuation based on quality. Okay, now default for external procurement, default for in-house procurement. Okay, so when we purchase this particular material for which we are going to use the split valuation, so when you are purchasing it externally from the vendor in purchase order, what is the default valuation type you want to use? That is what is this field. Okay, we will see this later. External procurement mandatory. For this valuation category, if you want to make the external procurement mandatory, we can select this checkbox. Okay, default for in-house. So I'm not going to select anything here. We will see it later. First, we will create a category and the description of category is split valuation based on the quality, and I'm saving. Sorry, you need to click on create. Valuation category Q was created. So valuation category Q is created. Now go back and you can see here split valuation category based on quality. Q is appearing here. Now go back. So we defined category. Now the next step is we need to define global types. Click on global types. And here you can see already A plus is there, A minus is there. Okay. So I will use different names for our types. For example, QA A plus and QAL A minus. Okay, we will try these two types. So first type will be QUAL A plus, second type will be QUAL A minus. So just click on create. I don't think a space will be allowed in between QUAL and A. We will see. Create. System is slow. There is some issue.
मी लॉग इन करून सिस्टीम ओपन करून ठेवलेली आहे. तुम्ही रिमोटली घ्यायचं असेल तर घ्या. इथं नेटवर्क बरं
नाही
आहे.
पण नाही, नेटवर्कचा इश्यू नाहीये. नेटवर्क तो माझ्याकडे पण आहे व्यवस्थित. सर्व्हर साईडलाच काहीतरी इश्यू आहे. तुम्ही परत एकदा चेक करा बरं एखादं ट्रान्झॅक्शन करून त्याच्यामध्ये.
आताच मी ते MWC0 करून बघितलं.
ओके.
ऍक्टिव्ह इनऍक्टिव्ह ते होत आहे व्यवस्थित. MWC0.
डिस्कनेक्ट नाही झालं का तुमचं सिस्टम? फ्रिक्वेंटली डिस्कनेक्ट, रीचच होत नाहीये. डिस्कनेक्ट करून एकदा लॉग इन करायचा प्रयत्न करा, ते ओपनच होणार नाही.
हो का? बघतो.
वाय ओके, ठीक आहे, बघूया. OMWC. Click on global types, create. Now here I will give a name to valuation type. QUAL A plus. Enter. Click on create. And the valuation type QUAL A plus is created. Now here you can see external purchase orders, internal purchase orders, and account category reference. Where we have seen this earlier. अगोदर हे कुठे पाहिलेलं आहे आपण?
सर आपण इथे व्हॅल्युएशन
मटेरियल टाईपच्या कॉन्फिगरेशन मध्ये पाहिलेलं
मटेरियल टाईप
OMS2 मध्ये. External purchase orders allowed, internal purchase orders allowed. There are three options, right? External purchase orders allowed, internal purchase orders allowed, or nothing is allowed. So same things are available in valuation type configuration as well. So when you are using this valuation type, how you want to use this valuation type for external procurement or for internal procurement? ओके, त्याच्यासाठी आपण इथे मेंटेन करू शकतो. अँड वन मोर थिंग, अकाउंट कॅटेगरी रेफरन्स. मागच्या लेसन मध्ये आपण पाहिलं अकाउंट कॅटेगरी रेफरन्स इज युज्ड इन मटेरियल टाइप टू असाइन अ व्हॅल्युएशन क्लास. सो सेम वे, जेव्हा हा व्हॅल्युएशन टाइप यूज करून आपण त्याची प्राइस मेंटेन करतो मटेरियलची, तर तो कुठल्या व्हॅल्युएशन क्लासमध्ये आपल्याला त्याची व्हॅल्यू पोस्ट झाली पाहिजे ते सिलेक्ट करण्यासाठी इथे सुद्धा आपण अकाउंट कॅटेगरी रेफरन्स असाइन करायला लागतो. ठीक आहे, काहीतरी इश्यू आहे सिस्टमला. MWC ग्लोबल टाइप्स QUAL A प्लस अकाउंट कॅटेगरी रेफरन्स मी इथे 0001 टाकतो, विच इज फॉर raw materials, and I'll click on create. Valuation type is created. Same way we will enter here minus and click on create. So QUAL A plus and QUAL A minus हे दोन valuation type आपण define केले. Save it, go back. Now you can see here QUAL A plus and QUAL A minus. These two valuation types are available here now. Now the third step is activate these valuation types or categories locally to the plant in which we want to use it. Now, before proceeding to that, we have to do a mapping of this global category and this valuation types. तर या कॅटेगरीसाठी हे दोन व्हॅल्युएशन टाइप्स क्रिएटेड आहेत हे आपल्याला सिस्टमला सांगावं लागतं. इट्स लाईक अन असाइनमेंट बिटवीन दिस ग्लोबल कॅटेगरी अँड the valuation types. So you go to global categories. Here you can see our category Q. Okay. Now select this line and go to types to category assignment. Here you can see the valuation types. Our valuation types इथे हे buttons आहेत वरती. ठीक आहे. Next page. Click on next page. So our valuation types are QUAL A plus and QUAL A minus. So until we reach there, we need to click on next page. And here you can see QUAL A plus and QUAL A minus. Under this category, we want to use these two valuation types. So we can select this and click on activate. Select this and click on activate. Now for this valuation category Q, these two valuation types are active. Save it. So you see, जेवढे काही व्हॅल्युएशन टाइप्स आहेत ते सगळे या व्हॅल्युएशन कॅटेगरीला इथे आपण आपल्याला इथे दिसतात. तर जे आपल्याला यूज करायचे त्या कॅटेगरीमध्ये तेच आपण ऍक्टिव्हेट करतो, बाकीचे डिऍक्टिव्हेटेड असतात. सो द नेम गिवन ग्लोबल कॅटेगरी किंवा ग्लोबल टाइप्स इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. तर हे सर्व इथे अवेलेबल आहेत. जे आपण ऍक्टिव्हेट करू ते याच्यामध्ये आपण यूज करू शकतो. सो वन्स इट इज डिफाइंड, इट इज अप्लिकेबल, इट कॅन बी अप्लाइड ग्लोबली. ठीक आहे, पण जे आपल्याला यूज करायचे तेच आपण इथे ऍक्टिव्हेट करू शकतो. सेव्ह इट. सो नाव व्हॉट we did mapping between our global category and global types. Now we need to go to local definitions. So local definitions is nothing but आता ही जी कॅटेगरी आहे Q, याला आपल्याला कुठल्या प्लांट मध्ये यूज करायचं, because valuation is based on the valuation area and valuation area in our system is plant. So we need to activate this global category to our plant in which we want to use it. So I think if you go to global categories, select it, go to local definitions here, or from start also you can go to local definition. This is the first page. Go to local definitions. Here you can see the plants, right? Scroll to the pages below to see where is our plant. So our plant is AGP2. AGP2 plant. Where is AGP2? AGP1 and AGP2. These two plants are there. Now, if I want to use this valuation category in plant AGP2, I will select this plant AGP2 and go to local categories. Nothing is there. AGP2, click on category assignment. So for a plant, I can see all the categories because these categories are global. Now in my plant AGP2, which category I want to activate? So I want to activate Q. So this is my Q. Select this category Q and click on activate. Save it. So what we did is we activated the category Q for plant AGP2. It means this Q valuation category can now be used for plant AGP2 only. Okay, because I have activated for plant AGP2 only. So this completes the configuration. So first we created a valuation category Q. Then we created valuation types QUALA plus, QUALA minus. Then we did the mapping of category to global types, and then in local definitions we activated this category Q for our plant AGP2. So the configuration part is complete. Now the material master part. Now let me go to create a new material. MM01 mechanical ROH. Continue. Now basic data, purchasing, general data, accounting data we have selected. Click on continue. Plant AGP2 storage location SL01. Click on continue. Okay. So when we have selected accounting data, आपण accounting data पण सिलेक्ट केलेला आहे, पण सिस्टमने आपल्याला आणखीन व्हॅल्युएशन टाइप्स विचारले नाहीत बिकॉज सिस्टमला आणखीन हे माहिती नाहीये की हे मटेरियल आपण स्प्लिट व्हॅल्युएशननी अकाउंटिंग करणार आहोत की नॉर्मल त्याचं अकाउंटिंग होणार आहे. So first time when we maintain the material master record, what we need to do is in accounting data, now we are into accounting data. So first time when we are maintaining the material master record, we need to maintain the valuation category. So by maintaining this valuation category, and you can see only one valuation category Q is available here because आपण AGP2 प्लांट मध्ये फक्त ही कॅटेगरी ऍक्टिव्हेट केलेली आहे. सो इफ यू कम हिअर, आपण AGP2 च्या याच्यामध्ये आहोत. वी आर इनटू AGP2 category assignment and only category Q is activated. If I activate another category here, important local for example, save it. Now I can see here two categories, import and local. Clear? Understood? So that is why these categories are called as global. म्हणजे ह्या जर आपल्याला पाहिजे असेल तर आपण सर्व प्लांट मध्ये ते यूज करू शकतो. ठीक आहे. सो आय deactivate this, save it. Now again we will have only one type here, valuation category Q. So you enter the valuation category Q here. तर जेव्हा आपण ही व्हॅल्युएशन कॅटेगरी इथे एंटर करतो, सिस्टम गेट्स टू नो that this material in this plant AGP2 is split valuated, म्हणजे याला एकापेक्षा जास्त प्राइस असणार आहेत. Enter. Okay, now you see valuation class is not mandatory here because we are not going to maintain any price while maintaining the material master record first time. Enter it, save it. So we created this material आणि याच्यामध्ये फक्त आपण काय केलेलं आहे, व्हॅल्युएशन कॅटेगरी व्हॅल्युएशन कॅटेगरी एंटर केलेली आहे. And we told system that this material in this plant is going to be a split valuated material. So no valuation class is assigned, even we have not maintained any price. So first time you just maintain the material with valuation category. Clear? इथपर्यंत clear आहे?
Clear.
Okay. Now we need to maintain the prices for this material on QUAL A plus and QUAL A minus valuation types. So what you need to do, MM01, extend the material master accounting data. Select accounting, click on continue. Now you can see you can enter plant here and a valuation type you can select here because the material is split valuated. Now you select valuation type here, QUAL A plus. Click on continue. Now you are into accounting data. Now you have to enter the valuation class. Now याला valuation class चं मॅपिंग कुठून होत आहे तर valuation type A plus मध्ये आपण account category reference 0001 assign केलेला. Go to global types, QUAL A plus, double click or click on change and you can see here account category reference 0001 आपण याला असाइन केलेला आहे. तर या अकाउंट कॅटेगरी रेफरन्सला जे काही व्हॅल्युएशन क्लासेस असाइन्ड असतील those are available to select here. Select this. Now if you want to have moving average, you can enter here moving average, enter the price here as 15 rupees. Save it. So we maintained the material master record with a price for QUAL A plus. QUAL A plus मध्ये आपण काय केलं? So we created material master twice now. आपण पहिल्यांदा create केला, then we extended for AL plus. So first time we created, we entered Q in the accounting data. Second time we extended the material for QUAL A plus valuation type. Now third time again we need to extend the material for QUAL A minus. तर जेवढ्या आपल्या types plus one time we need to extend the material master record. Clear now?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Click on continue. Here you select the valuation type QUAL minus, click on continue. Now again, if you want to post the stock value with valuation type A minus to a different GL account, you can select here a different valuation class. And if you want to use standard price also, you can select standard price also. For example, 12 rupees. So meaning is for same material, we can have different valuation price as well as different valuation methods. तर QUAL plus सोबत आपण काय केलं? मूविंग ॲव्हरेज प्राइस घेतली आणि व्हॅल्युएशन क्लास 3000 टाकला. पण QUAL मायनस साठी आपण स्टँडर्ड प्राइस घेतली आणि व्हॅल्युएशन क्लास सुद्धा त्याचा वेगळा घेतला. सो सेम मटेरियल आहे पण वेगळी प्राइस आणि वेगळ्या व्हॅल्युएशन मेथडनी आपण त्याचं व्हॅल्युएशन सेम प्लांट मध्ये करू शकतो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ स्प्लिट व्हॅल्युएशन, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण व्हॅल्युएशन टाइप्सचा यूज करतो. क्लियर आहे कॉन्फिगरेशन पार्ट, मटेरियल मास्टर डेटा मेंटेनन्स पार्ट?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now I will create a purchase order and we will see how the stocks will get updated when we do the goods receipt. ME21N. Enter the material master record. I want to order 100 quantities in plant AGP2. Now you see, since this material is split valuated in delivery tab, you can see the valuation type here. Because in configuration, we have not maintained any default valuation type. Configuration मध्ये आपल्याला provision आहे. If you want to maintain a default व्हॅल्युएशन टाईप इन कॅटेगरी डेफिनेशन. ग्लोबल कॅटेगरीच्या डेफिनेशन मध्ये डिफॉल्ट व्हॅल्यूज मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की आपण नंतर पाहूया. ठीक आहे. सो इफ यू गो टू चेंज हिअर, you can see here default valuation type for external procurement. We are procuring it externally. आपण वेंडर कडनं ते घेतोय, तर त्याच्यासाठी डिफॉल्ट व्हॅल्युएशन टाईप बाय डिफॉल्ट जर पीओ मध्ये आपल्याला एखादा व्हॅल्युएशन टाईप पाहिजे असेल तर तो आपण इथे मेंटेन करू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मी इथे डिफॉल्ट QUAL प्लस मेंटेन केला आणि याला सेव्ह केला. नाउ गो बॅक, क्रिएट परचेस ऑर्डर. Why it is not defaulted? Valuation type for external procurement QALA plus. QALA plus. Okay, backs. Now it is coming. Okay, so by default system will pick this valuation type if we maintain default values in the configuration here. Okay, for external procurement. And if we select default value type external procurement is mandatory, तर मग ही field जी आहे ती mandatory होऊन जाते. Okay, now check this and you can save the purchase order. Okay, now from same material I'm purchase from same vendor I'm purchasing this material with the other quality as well, that is QUAL A minus, and the price is 12 rupees. Enter the plant here AGP2. Enter the price here as 12 rupees. Okay, now go to delivery tab. By default it is coming as A plus. We need to select here A minus. Now for line item 20 I have selected quality as A minus, or for line item 10 quality as A plus. Save this, save it, display the PO, and the purchase order is displayed. The material A is having moving average price of 15 rupees in the material master record, and PO is also with 15 rupees in material master record. For material, for line item 20, material master is with standard price 12 rupees and the PO is also with standard price 12 rupees. Okay, now we will do the goods receipt and see the valuation. Now the logic for calculation the stock value remains same what we have learned in material valuation. If it's moving average price, the valuation takes place with purchase order price, and if it's standard price, valuation takes place with material master price. So that concept remains same. Enter the purchase order here. PO is having release strategy, so we need to release it first. ME29N to header. enter the PO number, release the PO, save it. Now do the goods receipt for this. Go goods receipt for purchase order. Now you see both the line items are coming here. For line item 10, 100 quantities we are receiving. Item OK. Here you can see the valuation type as QUAL A plus. Where you want to see in receive in SL01 storage location. Go to line item 20. You can see QUAL A minus is the valuation type. Quantity 100. Where you want to receive, enter the storage location SL01. So in same storage location I am taking it inside unrestricted use stock. Check and post it. Account determination for entry INT1 BSX 3003 not possible because QUAL A मायनस याला आपण व्हॅल्युएशन क्लास 3003 दिलेला आहे ज्याला सिस्टमला अकाउंट भेटत नाहीये. सो यू नीड टू गो टू OBYC BSX. ठीक आहे, BSX इज फॉर स्टॉक पोस्टिंग. सो BSX मध्ये जायचं. चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट INT1. Enter INT1 here. Enter. Now here you can see there is no valuation class with 3003. 3003 सोबत कुठलाही valuation class इथे नाहीये. So I'll select this, click on copy. We need to maintain here valuation class 3003 and we can assign this GL account and save it. ठीक आहे, तर 3003 ला हा GL account इथे assign केला. This is stock posting and this is chart of account. Save it. Now post the goods receipt. Goods receipt is posted, material document is generated, display the material document, go to document info, FI documents and check the accounting entries. This is for first line item 10. स्टॉक अकाउंटला 1500 रुपये प्लस झाले, GRR अकाउंटला 1500 रुपये मायनस झाले. सेकंड मटेरियल स्टॉक अकाउंटला 1200 रुपये प्लस झाले बिकॉज मटेरियल मास्टर मध्ये 12 रुपीज प्राइस आहे. GRR अकाउंटला 1200 रुपये मायनस झाले. नाउ how we can see the stocks. Now click here and go to MMBE. You can see single material. प्लांट तोच आहे, स्टोरेज लोकेशन तोच आहे. टोटल 200 क्वांटिटी आपण रिसीव्ह केल्या. 100 quantities are received in QUAL A plus and 100 quantities are received in QUAL A minus. तर याचं व्हॅल्युएशन जे आहे ते पण वेगवेगळ्या प्राइसनी झालं आणि त्याचा स्टॉक सुद्धा जो आहे तो आपल्याला सिस्टम मध्ये वेगवेगळ्या व्हॅल्युएशन टाइप वरती पाहायला मिळतो. सो दिस इज हाऊ यू यूज द split valuation. Any doubts, any questions? You can stop the recording now.